Hi HBNR families, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to sew this armless v-neck professionally. If you are new on this channel, please kindly subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell. So let's get started. So I'm going to join the front and the back together like this. So after joining it together, I'm going to attach 1 inch band to the armhole. So I cut 2 inches band so that when I fold it, it will equivalent to 1 inch. So I'm going to sew it to the armhole area. So I'm going to stretch the band a bit, just small. I'm going to stretch it. So when I'm done, I will do the same to the second armhole. So when I'm done, I'm going to do top stitch. I'm going to make top stitch on it. So I'm going to place the armhole like this. I'm going to place it on the mansion and I will sew in just like maybe 0.1 inch, 0.1 of an inch, just like this. So I'm going to make a top stitch on it like this. So when I'm done, this is how it's going to look like. As you can see, it looks perfect. So after that, I'm going to join both sides. When I'm joining the both sides, this is how it's going to look like. And the next thing that remains is for me to attach the v-neck band to the v-neck lines. So I'm going to measure the v-neck. After measuring the v-neck, I'm going to deduct 2 inches from what I measured on the neck line. So here I measure 11.5, which is 23 inches. So it's equivalent to 23 inches. Now I'm going to cut the v-neck band. As you can see, this is an elastic rib. It's very stretchy. So I'm going to cut 20 inches, and the reason is that this elastic band is very stretchy. But if it is normal material, or you want to use the fabric of the cloth to do the v-neck, you are going to deduct 2 inches from it. So as you can see, I'm going to overlap the v-neck like this. I'll place it on each other. I'm going to make stitch on it just to hold it down. Like this. Now I'm going to place the neckline on the neckband. So the angle on the neck line, I'm going to place it on the angle on the neckband, just like this, and I'm going to run stitch to that exact area. So I'm going to turn it to the left hand side, like to the right hand side like this, and also I'm going to run a bit stitches on it. So after that, this is how it's going to look like. You know, the V is already made, the shape of the V is already made. Now I'm going to place it on the machine to join it all over. So I'm going to stretch the neckband to reach the neckline. So upon doing that, I'm going to run the stitches throughout the neck line area. So I'm going to sew my back tape on this area, and I'm going to turn it like this, and I will start my sewing from the first shoulder seam to the second one. So this is the back tape I'm using. I will start from this shoulder seam area. So, and I will run my stitch from this area to the second shoulder seam area. So I'm going to stop at this shoulder seam area as well. So when I'm done with the 4 stitches, I will turn it back. So after turning it back, I'm going to sew this area as well, and I'm going to attach my size tag at the center of the back area, just like this, and I will sew it down to the shoulder seam area. So after I'm done with the stitching, this is how the back tape is going to look like. As you can see, it looks accurate and perfect. So this is how the back is looking. So I will now make a top stitch around the V-neck, starting from the first shoulder seam area. So I'm going to stitch to the other shoulder seam area. So after finishing with the stitches, this is how it's going to look like. Very accurate and perfect. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell. Thanks for watching.